Welcome to our YouTube channel, 𝐷𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴 We invite you to dive into a mysterious world where each riddle is a journey through a story that hides clues. The story begins here and now.
In a town where time seemed to flow differently for everyone, a detective named Lucien was called to solve a peculiar enigma. The town, known for its ancient clocks and winding alleys, hid a secret that few dared to speak of. Lucien, a man with sharp eyes and an analytical mind, was contacted by an elderly lady named Madame Dupont. She lived in a house atop a hill surrounded by lush gardens and enigmatic statues. Madame Dupont claimed that her husband, a renowned clockmaker, had mysteriously disappeared years ago, leaving behind a room filled with clocks stopped at different times. Upon entering the house, Lucien was struck by a strange sensation, as if time itself was wavering. The clocks, though silent, seemed to whisper forgotten secrets. Madame Dupont led him to the clockroom, a circular chamber, where each clock was meticulously aligned on the walls. "My husband was working on a revolutionary theory," explained Madame Dupont. "He believed that time was not a constant, but could be manipulated." Lucien observed the clocks. Some were ancient, others modern, but all seemed to have stopped at specific moments. He noticed that the hands of some clocks were slightly bent, as if affected by an invisible force. Upon closer examination, Lucien found a notebook hidden behind a wooden clock. The pages were filled with complex formulas and strange drawings. One phrase caught his attention: "The speed of light is the key." Lucien then recalled a conversation he had with a renowned physicist. The physicist had spoken of a theory where time could slow down or speed up depending on the speed at which an object moved. But how could this be related to the clockmaker's disappearance? Continuing his investigation, Lucien discovered a series of mirrors hidden behind the clocks. By aligning them correctly, he realized that the mirrors formed a path of light that traversed the room. When he turned on a lamp, the light reflected off the mirrors, creating a complex pattern on the floor. Suddenly, a secret door opened, revealing a hidden laboratory. Inside, Lucien found strange machines and additional notes. He understood that the clockmaker had attempted to create a machine capable of manipulating time using light. But something had gone wrong. By activating the machine, the clockmaker had been projected into another dimension, a place where time and space were distorted. Lucien realized that to bring the clockmaker back, he needed to understand the principles of this complex theory. He spent days studying the notes, recalibrating the machines and adjusting the mirrors. Finally, he managed to activate the machine correctly. A blinding light filled the room, and the clockmaker appeared disoriented but alive. Madame Dupont, with tears in her eyes, thanked Lucien. "You have not only brought my husband back, but you have also proven that his theories were correct." As Lucien left the house, he wondered how many other mysteries of time remained to be discovered. He knew that this investigation was just the beginning of a series of fascinating discoveries. Dear subscribers, can you discern the central physical principle that weaves the fabric of this mysterious enigma? Before writing your response in the comments, please carefully read the validity conditions for responses in the description section below this video. Each response must be justified by at least 3 clues present in the story. These clues must be explained or commented on to strengthen your response. Additionally, modified responses will be ignored, and remember that you only have 2 attempts. Congratulations to everyone who manages to solve the riddles on their own. Keep it up. We would like to remind you that the goal of these riddles is to stimulate your thinking and creativity. Using artificial intelligence tools to find the answers goes against this spirit. We encourage everyone to take on the challenge by their own means to derive the maximum satisfaction.
Dear subscribers, do you have an idea of the answer? Leave your answers in the comments. Don't forget, the first to find the correct answer will win the reward at stake. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. As soon as a winner is crowned, we will publish a special video to celebrate their triumph and reveal the solution to the riddle. So, stay tuned to not miss anything. Don't forget to show your support by liking and commenting on our videos. Subscribe to be among the first to discover our new challenges, and most importantly, share our videos to help our community grow. We look forward to seeing you very soon for more captivating riddles.